Microsoft Remote Desktop is a remote access solution developed by Microsoft that uses the Remote Desktop protocol to transmit the user interface and inputs between the local device and the remote Windows computer. Employees can access Office desktops from home. Admins can troubleshoot user systems without physical access. Schools and training centers offer remote access to lab machines. Microsoft Remote Desktop allows you to connect to virtual machines hosted in Azure or other cloud services. You can manage multiple users via Windows Server RDS. Use multiple monitors in a single session. Play sound and stream media on the local device. Connect securely through Remote Desktop Gateway without VPN, and automatically reconnects to interrupted sessions. Microsoft Remote Desktop is available for Windows, Macintosh, Android, iOS, and via third-party Linux clients. It allows you to connect to remote resources through a Remote Desktop Gateway without needing a VPN.